Hello friends, in this video I am going to share my first impressions about the product from Tommy Hilfiger men's leather wallet. So first let us open this product. So once you open it, you can see a nice blue box is given, also the branding shown there. So let me open it. It opens like Apple products. So you can see there's a transparent area and you can see through the wallet inside, and the branding and small leather goods also mentioned here. Now let me open it. From here you can open the plastic area. So you can see how the wallet looks like, and there is a small connector is given there. You can cut it or I can show from here. In the first page you can see it feels so smooth on both the sides, and this is the thickness you can see from different angles, but it feels lightweight, and here the branding logo is given here. Let me open it. Once you open it, you can see the coin compartment, which has a nice or good amount of area to keep your items, and Hilfiger branding is shown here. Also genuine leather mentioned on bottom side of the coin compartment, and here you can see credit and debit card slots are there, which is pretty convenient. And also there are two hidden pockets to save your items, and you can see there are two currency compartments. You can easily store your items, and there is a warranty card and small information is given inside the wallet, which is pretty useful. And you can see a stitching is given on both sides of the wallet. Thank you.